Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. This is our first episode in our Dog Days of Summer. We will make today a hatch green chili gravy dog. Stay tuned. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Let's get these sausages into the smoker, which is the longest leg of this. So you can see I got them set up on a wire rack here, and since my smoker is set at 170 degrees for this first part of the cook, that's a perfect temperature for doing smoked cream cheese, which I'm going to use in a couple future episodes. Check those out. So the plan is we're going to smoke these for about 90 minutes at 170 degrees. What we're doing there is getting the innards of the sausage up to temperature and cooked without melting that fat in there. Because if you do that too early, then you get the bursting and you lose all that juiciness. So we have a plan for that. Step one, 170 degrees for 90 minutes. By the way, I'm about 4 to 4.5 hours out from when I want to serve these. That's when you want to start this process. Let's get these in the smoker. All right, it's that easy. We'll see you again in 90 minutes for the crucial next step. So the sausages are just completing their first 90-minute smoke. Let's go get them off the smoker. There you go. They aren't the most beautiful things in the world right now. Oh, but they will be. Next step for the sausages, they go into an ice bath. And we're going to let them rest in there for 15 minutes, then we'll be back with the next step. See you then. Our beautiful sausages have been in the ice bath for 15 minutes. Now the next step, you need some paper towels. Going to pull these out, dry them off as well as we can, and then put them on a drying rack. Now we're going to chuck them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. I happen to have an hour before I need to get them back on the smoker. What this is going to do, allow that skin to dry out even more and give us the crispy skin that we're looking for in the end. So we'll see you when it's time to pull these back out and go on to the next step. Our sausages have been drying out in the refrigerator for an hour. The smoker temperature is now raised to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to put these back on for 90 minutes. And that's it for the sausages. Now we need to get the gravy going. Let's do it. The sausages are about 20 minutes out from being done, so let's get that incredible gravy together. So in my Starfrit, the Rock pot, I am going to put butter. Now, if I haven't mentioned it before, I'm not going to talk about amounts. That's because, dear friends, down below in the description section, there's a link. It'll take you to galleyofthesun.com where you'll find the full recipe. Oh yeah. We will get our heat on and melt that butter. Melt it. The butter is all melted. In goes in. In goes in. In goes our diced onions. And we're going to cook those for about 5 or 6 minutes until they're good and translucent and soft and caramelized. I am happy with the looks of my onions. Now goes in garlic. We're going to add this and then give it a good stir. Give it about a minute until it's good and aromatic. With things smelling absolutely amazing, we will now add our flour and make our roux. And we'll give that a few minutes to cook to get that raw flour taste out of there. Now we add the star of our show, our fire roasted diced hatch green chilies. Get that mixed in, cook this for about a minute. Now we'll start to stir in our milk. We're going to continue to stir and bring that to a boil. We are at a good boil. Now we're going to take that down to a simmer, stirring frequently until we're happy with the consistency. All right, got the director out here to keep the flies off of me. Now for the finishing touches on the gravy. We'll give it a good pinch of salt and pepper. And then add our freshly chopped thyme and sage. All right, gravy is good. Let's get those sausages off the smoker. Okay, the sausages are off the smoker and they're looking absolutely gorgeous. Speaking of gorgeous, we have the director here to judge, but we need to put this together first. So on our toasted bun goes our sausage, a good scoop of gravy, and then to give it some texture, some crispy onions. And I got some garlic pepper ones. All right, the director's here. Let's get some judgment. What do you think of my sausage?
Looks pretty.
I got a pretty sausage.
That's what she said.
Very good.
Okay, so is the skin crispy?
Yes.
That was the double smoke. Is it juicy? That was the double smoke. How's the gravy?
It's good.
Accompany that well? All right, you wouldn't think to put gravy on your sausage, but sometimes it's the right answer.
Yep. It's very good.
All right,
Have a bite to it.
there you go. I hope you enjoyed what you saw today, and until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.